Hi, Tom here. The first step in this Circle Line Art School video is to draw two parallel lines at an angle. These lines will represent the gap between two buildings. Next, we can draw two vanishing points in this gap. A vanishing point is just a point where receding parallel lines will go towards. The bottom vanishing point will be used for the street, and the top vanishing point will be used for the buildings rising either side of the street. Next, draw a line through the bottom vanishing point at right angles to the two parallel lines that we drew at the beginning. Everything in this drawing is based on these three lines and these two vanishing points. For this drawing, you could use a ruler or just draw hands-free. The next step is to draw a series of lines from the bottom vanishing point, radiating away from the center and getting closer together as they go towards the top vanishing point. We are drawing radiating lines which meet at the bottom vanishing point, but they're actually representing parallel lines that are receding away from us towards this distant vanishing point. And as they recede in perspective, these parallel lines appear to gradually get closer together. Therefore, we can represent parallel lines as receding radiating lines. Next, draw a second series of radiating lines from this time the top vanishing point, getting closer together as they go towards the bottom vanishing point. Now, in this simple way, we have created a complex grid in two-point perspective. We can use these grid squares to draw a series of windows for the buildings. The windows will follow the shapes of the grid that we've drawn, so they'll get smaller as they recede towards the top vanishing point. They'll also get smaller as they recede towards the bottom vanishing point. Next, from the bottom vanishing point, you could add two lines coming towards us to mark the edge of a pavement, and then draw some people on the pavement to give your drawing some scale. If the people are very small, the buildings will look larger. You could add some interior details into the windows of the buildings by adding a single line in each window corner. The corner that's nearest the two parallel lines, the two lines that we drew at the beginning of this drawing. And each of these corner lines needs to be parallel to the horizontal line that we drew, the third line that we drew in this drawing. You could add some shading to your drawing, some cast shadows to the people, and some shadows in the actual office rooms of the tall buildings either side of the road. This is just one way to draw a dramatic city view of buildings using two-point perspective. It's two-point perspective because there are two vanishing points. To learn more about how to draw from scratch, please visit my website, circlelineartschool.com, where you can find details of my online drawing courses for beginners, plus details of my books on art and observation, and my free video tutorials. Please leave a comment of drawings that you'd like to see in the future. Thank you for watching and see you next time.